What is the opportunity for healing? What is the opportunity for growth? Who can I go for support? What are the opportunities here to learn from others, to do research? So in other words, we take the setbacks and we turn it into opportunity. Doesn't mean it's easy. It doesn't mean it's joyful. It doesn't mean it feels good. But it is a situation that provides us to change our mindset to one of opportunity and find growth, find learning, find love, find joy, which invariably will come when you have an opportunity mindset.